Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is updated and that you are signed into the profile where the wallpaper will apply. Next, pick an image with appropriate resolution, prefer 1920x 1080 or higher, so it looks crisp. Once done, open a new tab and click the Customize or Settings icon in the bottom right. This first action exposes the wallpaper controls, so you can choose between Chrome Collection or Upload. Make sure permissions are allowed for local file access if you will upload a custom image. Now choose whether to use a Chrome Collection or upload an image from your device. If uploading, pick the file and use the Crop/Position tool. Aim for a 16:9 area to avoid stretching. After positioning, press Done to apply. Chrome saves the wallpaper to your profile. If you prefer a minimal look, toggle Show or Hide shortcuts and pick a complementary background color. These choices affect readability of icons, so adjust until text and shortcuts remain clearly visible against the image. Finish by confirming the wallpaper appears on new tabs, and that sync is enabled if you want it across devices. If the image does not apply, reload Chrome, clear the browser cache, and re-upload. Sometimes file permission settings block local images. Once applied, test by opening new windows and different profiles. Chrome stores wallpapers per profile, so repeat for each one. Key troubleshooting tip: if sync overwrites changes, disable wallpaper sync. Then reapply the image and re-enable sync only after the correct wallpaper is stored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.